Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of Outfit Transformation series. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Srishti and I make videos related to fashion, DIY and makeup. If this is something you enjoy watching, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the little bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, let's start with the video. So in today's episode, I'm gonna transform my mom's old paper silk saree. I really like the color combination and the work on it. It had this really beautiful pallu and the rest of the saree had this tiny embroidery going on, which I really liked. Okay, so when I saw this saree, I knew I wanted to make a Gharara suit. Since it is in trend right now, every ethnic brand is making Ghararas. So I searched for inspiration pictures on Pinterest and I saw a huge variety of it. I wanted to make mine strappy. So I started sketching my design so that I could explain the tailor which part of the saree has to be used where. So I wanted to make straps out of the small border of the saree and use the blue part of the pallu for the top and rest of the saree for the pants. Then I went to my tailor. I always get my clothes stitched from him, so I explained everything to him in detail. He mentioned that the pallu fabric will not be enough for the top, so I had to get some plain fabric for the back, and then he just took my body measurements. Later, I felt something was missing, so I decided to add this trim at the bottom of the top as well as at the bottom of the pants. And also add this small trim to the knee area of the pants. So the next day I went to his shop and explained to him about the placement of the trims. 2 days later my outfit was ready. It just needed some fitting at the waist. Once the alteration was done, I started looking for a matching dupatta and there was huge variety of dupattas available. This was the one which I liked the most. And this is the final outcome. I really like the way it turned out. The tailor has done a great job. It turned out exactly the way I wanted it to be. And here are a few more montages of me trying to pose.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
And that's about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching and found it helpful. I will see you next week. Bye.